Palandöken Ski Center. Palandöken is an important ski resort with the longest and steepest ski slopes in the world. It was ranked 18th among the 41 best ski resorts in the world by the New York Times. The tracks in Palandöken offer excellent quality snow throughout the ski season thanks to its powder snow feature. This snow structure provides the best conditions for skiers and also offers a smooth surface, which provides better gliding, better maneuvering and faster sliding. While ski and snowboard competitions are held in various categories in Palandöken, snow festivals are also held. In which province is Palandöken Ski Resort, and how many kilometers is it from the city center? Palandöken is in the province of Erzurum and is one of the closest ski resorts in the world to the city center, with a distance of 5 kilometers or 15 minutes to the city center. Moreover, the ski center is normally 25 to 30 minutes away from Erzurum Airport. How thick is the snow in Palandöken? The average snow thickness required for skiing is known as 50 to 70 centimeters. An important detail for the snow thickness of the ski slopes is that this snow is crushed. Snow thickness in Palandöken varies between 85 and 110 centimeters, so there is usually enough snow. When does Palandöken ski season open? The 2023 to 2024 ski season started on Tuesday, November 29th, in Palandöken, the address where unique tracks, unforgettable moments, and all the beauties of winter meet. In Erzurum, where snowfall usually occurs in October-November, the ski season starts in November and lasts until the end of April. How many meters is Palandöken Ski Resort? Winter sports activities in Palandöken Ski Center are located on the 2200 to 3176 meter altitude zone and are carried out in Namlıkır, Hines Bogatsi, Konakli, Ulkaroglu and Yagmurkuk regions from north to south. The total track length of the ski resorts is 87 kilometers. The longest ski track is 12.5 kilometers long, and you can ski uninterruptedly along this track. Where is Palandöken Ski Center, and how to get there? Transportation to Palandöken by air is provided by Erzurum Airport located in Çiftlik district. Erzurum bus terminal located in the city center is used for bus travel. It is also possible to reach Palandöken directly by bus from surrounding provinces and metropolitan cities such as Istanbul. There is no direct train line to Palandöken. Visitors who want to go to Erzurum by train can use the Eastern Express to transfer to the district after arriving in Erzurum. Erzurum Airport Palandöken Ski Center is 15 minutes. Palandöken Ski Center Erzurum City Center is 5 minutes. Is there night skiing at Palandöken Ski Resort? Palandöken Ski Center in Erzurum, one of the important ski resorts of Turkey and the world, offers ski lovers enjoyable moments with night skiing. Palandöken Ski Resort Tracks. Palandöken Ski Center includes 56 tracks in total. These tracks have different difficulty levels and are distributed as follows. Easy tracks, 30 pieces. Medium tracks, 12 units. Professional, difficult tracks, 9. Natural runways, 5 pieces. Konakli Ski Center, known as Palandöken 2, has 24.8 kilometers of pistes in addition to this total number of pistes. Additionally, the altitude difference between the starting and ending elevations is 1,100 meters. Palandöken Ski Resort Lifts. The ski center has 5 chairlifts, 4,500 persons/hour capacity, 1 teleski, 300 persons/hour capacity, 2 baby lifts, 1,800 person capacity in total, 1 gondola lift, 1,500 persons/hour capacity. Palandöken Ski Resort Hotels. While there are 10 tourist facilities in the region, 4 of which are 4-star and 6 are 5-star. There are also ski lodges, daily facilities and restaurants. The accommodation capacity of the ski resort is approximately 5,530 people. These facilities offer visitors a comfortable and enjoyable winter sports experience. Snowdra Ski Resort Hotels is a mountain hotel with 80 rooms and has a ski room and Wi-Fi. Diedman Palandöken is a 40-room mountain hotel with a pool, ski room and Wi-Fi. €195 per night for 2 people, which is equivalent to 5,000 TL. Sway Hotels is a mountain hotel with 400 rooms and has a pool, ski room and Wi-Fi. Palat Erzurum Resort Hotel is a mountain hotel with 400 rooms and has a pool, ski room and Wi-Fi. The price per night is €400 or 11,200 TL. V Hotels Palandöken is a 30-room mountain hotel and unfortunately there is no pool or Wi-Fi. Palan Ski and Convention Resort price is €140 or 4,200 TL per night. Erzurum Konakli Hotel is a 36-room mountain hotel with a ski room and Wi-Fi. Snowdra Pond is a 17-room mountain hotel and unfortunately there is no pool or Wi-Fi. If you are wondering whether there is snow in Palandöken Ski Resort, there is usually snow in November and April. But to watch it live, you can click on the Palandöken live broadcast link in the description section of the video and watch it. Palandöken Ski Center Skipass prices are up to date, and you can follow them on the screen. You can access the changing prices in the future by clicking on the link in the description of the video. The list of Palandöken Ski Center ski rental fees for 2024 is as follows. Ski equipment rental fee, 300 Turkish liras. Ski rental fee, 200 Turkish liras. Ski shoe rental fee, 140 Turkish liras. Snowboard team rental fee, 500 Turkish liras. Seasonal locker rental fee, 1.800 Turkish liras. Snowboard rental fee, 300 Turkish liras. Snowboard shoe rental fee, 200 Turkish liras. Coat rental fee, 100 Turkish liras. Salo pet rental fee, 100 Turkish liras. Children's coat rental fee, 80 Turkish liras. Children's sunshade rental fee, 80 Turkish liras. Baden rental fee, 50 Turkish liras. Palandöken ski resort activities are endless. If we talk about some of the planned activities, you can participate in the snow downhill activity on January 13th, 2024, Palandöken ski tour on February 10th, 2024, Palandöken Fest activity on February 14th, Palandöken Ice Park Championship on February 17th, and Frozen Fest on February 22nd. Additionally, there is the Freestyle Snowboard Championship in the last week of March. Apart from these, you can also paraglide, giant swing, zip line, human slingshot. If you want to try flying on snow, the human slingshot is for you. Ice wall climbing. For those who want to experience ice climbing on snow, there is the opportunity to do ice wall climbing in Palandöken. There are also many summer activities that we cannot count. These include bicycle rental, canoe rental, dolphin rental, ATV, recreation area, tent camping, ATV, go-kart, adventure park, gondola trip. Kure Restaurant, which is the first food and drink restaurant in the world at 2,700 meters in Palandöken Ski Resort, offers unique tastes with local dishes, world cuisine, desserts, hot and cold drinks. You will taste unforgettable tastes for those who want to enjoy the Erzurum view or the snow view after skiing by watching the skiers. Capsule Cafe, with its modern concept and completely covered with glass, offers you a spacious view and the opportunity to drink a pleasant coffee while watching other skiers. Runway and lift rules. Boarding and boarding of the lifts must be done from the indicated areas. Do not use the lift if the lift operator is not present. Snowboarders must keep their feet free and their snowboards open from the moment they get on the lift until they get off. Children under 1.25 m tall cannot use the lift alone. Remove your backpack from your back when getting on the lift. If the lift stops suddenly, please remain calm and wait for instructions from the operators. In case of emergency, call 0533 619 1825 or 112. Boarding and disembarking of moving carpet lifts should only be done from the starting and ending points. From the middle, from the edge, etc. Embarkation and disembarkation are dangerous and prohibited. Please do not use the lifts outside the specified opening and closing hours. While using a lift, it is absolutely dangerous and prohibited to engage in any potentially dangerous behaviors such as sitting sideways on the chair, jumping, standing up, or lifting the safety bar outside of the required location. Contact information and open address: Yunus Emre District Cluster Houses, Palandöken Ski Center. The phone number is +90 442 315 6841. I hope you have a good ski holiday. If you would like to thank us, your comments are important to us, and if you are curious about another ski resort, we would appreciate it if you write in the comments section. Goodbye, see you in the next video.